Welcome dear students. Going to discuss about a new topics today. Class 8 subject English second paper dated 1st April 2021. Presented by me MD Shukuruddin, nickname Shazal Ras. Okay. So please be attentive and enjoy my English class. First of all, look at the whiteboard and follow my example. He is a good boy, and if we write he is a bad boy, so here meaning is changed. He is a bad boy, and if we write like this, he is not a bad boy, this sentence is negative but meaning is not changed. Okay, that means he is also good boy. So now it is time to declare the title of these topics. I think you guessed, our today's topic is changing sentence without changing its meaning. Okay, changing sentence without changing its meaning, that means transformation of sentences. Today I will discuss only affirmative to negative. Okay, affirmative to negative. Look, affirmative and negative only person we will write none but. Only it means things nothing but, and also number we will write not more than or not no fewer than, and only means is we will write not more than or not less than. And also only means place we will write anywhere but or nowhere without. Okay, so first of all you have to commemorate these techniques, and after that you have to follow the example. Try to understand the example. Can I erase? Okay. Examples. Only Allah can help us. This is affirmative, and negative will be none but Allah can help us. Try to understand. Here none but is used instead of only. Do you understand what I say? Okay. Similarly, only He can solve this problem. Only He can solve this problem. Look here, after only He is person and also the subject of this sentence. So we can write for negative sentence none but He can solve this problem. Do you understand? Okay. Look at another. I bought only a toy from the fair. I bought only a toy from the fair. Look here, after only a toy is used here. This is things or metal, but not person. Do you understand? So we should write I bought nothing but a toy from the fair. Got it? Here nothing but is used in place of only. Do you understand? Similarly, I have only 2 books. That means here only refers to the number of books. Okay, so it will be like this. I have not more than 2 books. Okay, here not more than is used in place of only, because only means number of books. Do you understand? I have no fewer than 2 books. I have no fewer than 2 books, because not more than or no fewer than will be used instead of only, if only means the number of things. I think you got understand. Okay. Look at another sentence. Jerry was only 10 years old. Jerry was only 10 years old. Here 10 is the number of age of Jerry. Do you understand? And exactly 10 that means only, here only 10, that means exact 10 years old, not more than or not less than. You understand? So for the negative sentence we can write Jerry was not more than 10 years old, or Jerry was not less than 10 years old. Do you understand? Here not more than is used in place of only. Similarly, not less than is used in place of only. Do you understand? Look, bees only live in the hive. That means here bees live only in the hive. In the hive is a place. So for the negative sentence we can write bees do not live anywhere but in the hive. Okay? Bees do not live anywhere but in the hive. We have discussed that anywhere but and also do not. Okay, or we can write like this: bees live nowhere without in the hive. Okay, so look here, nowhere, it gives the meaning of negative sentence. So this is negative sentence but without changing its meaning. Like there are any other rules is applicable here. Affirmative and negative must, and we use cannot but or cannot help. But PV base, and here PV ing form. Okay, look at the example. We must respect our teachers. We must respect our teachers. Here for the negative sentence we will write we cannot but respect our teachers, or we cannot help respecting our teachers. Here it is very important to remember that if we write help instead of but, we must write the ing form, that means gerund form of verb. Okay, look at another rules. Root word and negative is antonyms like mortal, immortal, late, punctual, honest, dishonest, agree, disagree, always, never, true, false, like this. Okay, so follow the example. Man is mortal, and we will write man is not immortal. Man is not immortal. Okay, so this sentence is negative, but meaning is not changed. Okay, he is an honest man, and we should write he is not a dishonest man. Similarly, he is always late, and we should write for the negative he is never punctual. Here never is used in place of always, and punctual is used in place of late. Okay, can I erase? Okay, done. Look at another rules. Everybody, everyone, every plus noun, and negative will be there is no body or one or noun but plus PV base. Look at, this is the magic technique of changing affirmative to negative. Do you understand? Look at the example. Everybody loves a good student. Everybody loves a good student, and negative will be there is nobody but loves a good student. There is nobody but loves a good student. Similarly, everyone likes flower, and we can write there is no one but likes flower. And there is also another rule. We can write like this: there is no one who does not like flower. Do you understand? I think you got understand, and there are another rules, so I will discuss it in my next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.